Hi guys, so today I will show you how to make my cabbage and fruit salad, and I pair this with pan seared salmon. Let's get cooking. So the salad is my main focus in today's video. It is so good. You can eat it by itself or add a protein of your choice to it. I start with some chopped green cabbage. To that, I add my fruits. I use pear, cucumber, apple, some tomatoes, strawberries, avocado, and the avocado adds some moisture and creaminess to the salad, in case you don't want to use salad dressing. Then I add matchsticks carrots, dried cranberries, and feta cheese. Then I dress this up with some strawberry balsamic vinaigrette. From the crunchiness of the apples, pear, and cucumber to the sweetness of the dried cranberries and strawberries and the savoriness of the avocado and feta cheese, it's so delicious. And to tie all of this together with the strawberry balsamic vinaigrette just puts this salad on another level. Like I said, you can eat this by itself or add some protein to it. On medium to high heat, add some butter and canola oil. I already seasoned my salmon, but I'll leave all the ingredients that I used in the description box below. Right before the butter melts, add the salmon skin side down and cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes. Once all sides are cooked, spoon some of the oil over the salmon to keep it from drying out. If your salmons are thick, bake it in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes to finish the cooking process. Now, serve your salad and salmon with your dressing and enjoy! Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye!